over the moon.
We love to play. On Nick Jr. on CBS.
All I want is a video gaming system. And a digital art studio. Hey, dude. And my own kickin' video player. Plus a comic book reader.
Spider-Man.
Sorry, dude. Only Leapster lets you have it all.
Want it all? You can have it all with the Leapster handheld. It's a game system, video player, digital art studio, and electronic comic book all in one.
It's my turn. Dream on.
The Leapster multimedia learning system from Leapfrog. Cartridges and batteries sold separately.
I've learned that hamburgers don't have to be round.
Rich, meaty chili can come from a pickup window.
A side of fries isn't the only way to serve potatoes.
One can enjoy a Frosty with either a spoon or a fry.
It's our 40th birthday celebration, so we're offering our chili, baked potato, Frosty, and double stack for 99 cents each for a limited time. It's way better than fast food. It's Wendy's.
My new collection at Babies R Us is truly scrumptious. I put my own special touches on everything babies need. From stylish nurseries to sweet surprises. From frills to funny monsters. My designs are fun for babies and moms. Now you can explore it all, only at Babies R Us.
Introducing Truly Scrumptious, designed by Heidi Klum. Available September 15th, exclusively at Babies R Us.
No, you're the better listener, baby. You're the better listener. I wrote you a song about how good of a listener you are. If you want to hear it? Kristen, you are such a good listener.
You can't control the conversation, but you can control the cost. Get a Net 10 Android without the pricey contract. Unlimited everything is just $50 a month. Net 10, your phone, your way.
With over 200 varieties, Keurig makes brewing a delicious cup of coffee simple.
How does it brew such great coffee?
Well, inside the brewer are these green fields of coffee. And if you travel up this mountain, there's this huge coffee grinder. And then the coffee lands in this cup, and water rushes through.
Actually, I just pressed this button. Brew what you love. Simply Keurig.
If your kids like movies with animals, action heroes, sing-alongs, or whatever else, then you and your family will love Netflix. Netflix lets you watch unlimited movies and TV episodes on your PC or TV via game console or other devices connected to the internet. Search by age or character and get information that helps you make the right choices for your family. It's instant, it's unlimited, and it's only $8 a month. Start your free trial today.
Looking for a different kind of burger? Then let's talk turkey. Ruby Tuesday's Bacon Jack Turkey Burger. One of 30 famous burgers. Only at Ruby Tuesday. So good, it's guaranteed.
Why drive all over town to compare cars? Make one stop at CarMax and test drive an Accord, Taurus, and Camry. We have nearly every make and model, 10 times more cars than the average dealer. So you get the car you want. CarMax, the way car buying should be.
Why do warehouse clubs and superstores offer the lowest prices? Because they sell in volume. CarMax, the auto superstore, has up to 10 times more cars than the average dealer, so we can afford to offer below Blue Book prices. CarMax, the way car buying should be.
You know, I just love this time of year. Everybody's getting together to enjoy good company and great food. And that's why I got together with Applebee's to add some exciting new flavor to the holidays. Check out my new ribeye with garlic chili shrimp. A juicy soy marinated ribeye seared to perfection and topped off with crispy Asian veggies, shrimp, and my own garlic chili sauce. Now that smells absolutely delicious.
New holiday flavor at Applebee's. And for the perfect gift, Applebee's gift cards.
And that's eating good in the neighborhood.
We love to play. On Nick Jr. on CBS.
Issued a tornado warning for north central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern Boone County in north central Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 7:16 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Kirkland, or 9 miles south of Belvidere, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Jeaningston around 7:20 p.m., Belvidere around 7:25 p.m., Marengo around 7:45 p.m., including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 43 and 56. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.
If you have any requests for EAS mods, please comment down below and provide a link to an audio alert you want to see.